How to share your Spotify profile to Facebook. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share your Spotify profile to Facebook directly, easy and fast. All what you have to do, go to Spotify. Now go to your profile from here, click on this icon and click on your profile, and then go to the top right here and click on those three dots. Now click on share, and here is the Facebook icon. Click on it and you will be shared your profile to Facebook, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video.